In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Brokers on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll be connected and ready to manage trades directly from your phone, all within the familiar TradingView charts. Start by opening the TradingView app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account and have a stable internet connection. From the bottom menu, tap Chart. This takes you to the workspace where trading connections live, and it's the best place to confirm everything is set up correctly. Pick any symbol and time frame you like so you can see the trading panel alongside a live chart. On the chart screen, look for the broker or trading panel icon at the bottom. Tap it to open the connection drawer. If you don't see it right away, try updating the app or switching to a different chart layout. Sometimes the panel is minimized. At the top of this panel, you'll see the current broker selection. Tap the name shown there, then choose Connect Another Broker. This brings up the full list of supported providers. Use the search bar to type Interactive Brokers, then select the official Interactive Brokers option that appears. Double-check the logo and name to ensure you're choosing the correct integration. Tap Connect. You'll be redirected to a secure sign-in flow. Enter your account credentials safely and complete any two-factor authentication prompts if asked. Approve the connection so TradingView can link to your brokerage. If presented with a choice between live and paper trading, pick the one you intend to use. When the connection succeeds, you'll see a connected status in the panel, and your account details, such as balance and buying power, may appear on screen. From here, you can place and manage orders directly on the chart. Before you trade, review your default order settings, confirm the correct account is selected, and always double-check order type, quantity, and price. If you run into connection issues, ensure both apps are up to date and that your brokerage account is enabled for third-party connections. You're all set. Happy trading.